So hey there, welcome back guys. So today we will see how we can work with ShadCN MagicUI and how we can integrate their components into our React project. The major problem that was facing by many developers were the installation guide was for TypeScript and many developers were using JavaScript. So we will solve that kind of problem today. So let's start building a simple website by making a new folder. So first of all, I will make a new folder. I will name it React tutorial. As you can see, I have already made one simple website using MagicUI and ShadCN. I will show you. Yeah. So this is the website which I made. You can see the beautiful animations and on scroll effect. Subscribe my channel to change the way you code. So we will also try to make this type of website. I will also provide the code, the GitHub link. So first thing first, we will start by making a simple React project. So yeah. So let's get started. I will select React. Here I will select JavaScript because the problem was coming in JavaScript only. So now the React packages has been installed and now we will go to our installation guide and we will see what are next steps. Go to here installation, select VITE. Our first step is done. Now second step is to install the Tailwind. So we will just install Tailwind. I have also opened the Tailwind website. Here I will search VITE. We have to follow these steps to install the Tailwind. So I have just downloaded the packages for Tailwind as you can see. So now the second step is to copy this content and paste it here. I will remove here index.html. Yeah, copy this and go to your index.css file, remove everything and paste this. So I have pasted this in my index.css and I also have cleared everything from app.jsx and app.css. So our steps are completed. Now we will simply test it by writing a small piece of code. Now to run this, you have to write npm run dev, dev. You have to write npm run dev here. And you can see it's working. Tailwind is working fine. It means it has been downloaded fine. And now we will move to MagicUI and download this. The two steps are completed. Make sure your Tailwind is working. Now the third step is to configure the tsconfig.json file. Now here's the catch. We are not working with TypeScript, so we will make jsconfig.json file. Close the source folder and make a new file. Copy paste everything. JS, remove TS and write JS. Now save it. The error will come here, but guys don't worry, this will not cause any problem. We will move ahead and now we will make a jsconfig.app.json file. Just copy this everything. .app.json and copy paste everything. So now we have created two more new files. Now the last step is to configure VITE. Okay, so just copy paste everything. Go to your VITE config, move everything and just paste this. Now everything is completed. Now the last step is to write this command in your terminal. I will select npm and just paste this. Okay. So now these steps will come. So I will select New York. I will select gray and I will select yes. So as you can see, after this step, this library folder will be automatically created. So make sure it is now in your source folder. Next step is same for everything. We have completed every step. Now we have to download button. You can download anything. Like for example, I am downloading just a button. Just paste this, and you will see after downloading here, component folder will be automatically created under this button.jsx has been created. Okay. So yeah. So I think everything is working fine. You can use MagicUI components. And now I will show you how you can make a very simple website using MagicUI and ShadCN. Just copy paste this code. Okay. Under your components, I will make a new file name as main.jsx. I will just copy paste this. Now here's what you have to do. You have to remove this and you have to write dot components slash UI because your button.jsx is inside the UI folder, and make sure you import the correct file. Then you need to just import it in your app.jsx. So we will go here. You will just write what was the name? It was name home. So we'll write home from main. You make sure it is imported, and now we will run this. So now it's running, and now we will have a look if it's working or not. Now you can see hello logs and click me. This is a MagicUI button component which we imported from MagicUI. The similar thing, the installation is same for ShadCN also. As you can see, if I get started, installation, wait, here you can see everything is same. Everything is same. Here we will install Tailwind. Here the same steps are there. jsconfig.json file, jsconfig.app.json file. You have to just change the VITE config. You need to run these things. Yeah, everything is same. In fact, this thing, the button is also same here. You can see just, right? So now we can import any component from MagicUI or ShadCN. For example, to import this button, what we have to do, we have to just copy this and paste in our terminal. You can see automatically pulsating button has been created. Now just copy the code. I will make a new file, pulsating. Copy paste the code here and make sure you write the right import dot slash components slash UI slash pulsating button, and yes, now just import it in your app.jsx. You can see I have imported it, and now we will check if it's working or not. See, this is working very fine. So we imported button, we imported pulsating button also. If you need to make any changes, you can just write here rocks, and it will work fine. Check this, guys. You can easily customize any button, anything. Okay. So as you can see, I have made this simple website with a good animation with this skew effect and on scroll effect. So you can make this also. So if you want, so that you need a code for this, I will also provide a code for this. Follow me and subscribe. Thank you.